up? Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hello, I'm Sheetal. I make beauty and lifestyle related videos on YouTube. So if you like what you have watched so far on my channel, then please consider subscribing to my channel. It would mean a lot to me. And now let's talk about today's video. So as you must have read the title already, my Instagram followers are gonna decide my makeup for the day, like for today. So I have already posted all the polls on my Instagram. So I saw this video on Mridul's channel. Mridul Sharma, I'm a big fan of her. She's very she's all about aesthetics and all, and she's a very hard working girl. So yeah, I got inspired by her video and I thought it will be a lot of fun to do this video, to make this video. So that's why I'm gonna do this. एंड या विदाउट एनी ड्यू लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड. जो फर्स्ट पोल मैंने पोस्ट किया था इट वॉज अबाउट स्किन प्रेप. सो मैंने सोचा स्किन प्रेप से स्टार्ट करते हैं. एंड द फर्स्ट पोल वॉज कि मैं क्ले मास्क करूँ या शीट मास्क करूँ, एंड यू गाइज चोज शीट मास्क. सो अ लॉट ऑफ यू गाइज लाइक, so that's why I'm going to apply a sheet mask today. It's the Garnier Skin Natural sheet mask. This is the serum mask in ageless white. So I'm quickly gonna apply this on my face now. So ओके, सो शीट मास्क अभी मैंने निकाल दिया एंड माई स्किन फील्स वेरी हाइड्रेटेड, वेरी सॉफ्ट एंड हाइड्रेटेड एंड सपल. सो या थैंक गॉड यू गाइज चूज शीट मास्क, क्योंकि मेकअप के पहले शीट मास्क जब भी मैं लगाती हूँ मेकअप बहुत अच्छा होता है. सो होपफुली आज का भी अच्छा होगा. सो नाउ लेट्स मूव ऑन टू द नेक्स्ट पोल, एंड दैट आई डिड वॉज विच मॉइस्चराइजर शुड आई यूज द सेटाफिल वन और द क्लिनिक वन. सो बहुत देर तक इसमें 50-50 चल रहा था, बट अभी जब मैंने देखा सो क्लिनिक वॉज 51%. सो दैट्स व्हाई आई एम गोना यूज क्लिनिक मॉइस्चराइजर. I'm just gonna put it on my face. So my skin is nicely prepped and moisturized. Okay, so let's move on to the next poll, and that was about foundation. And I asked you guys if I should apply a full coverage foundation or a light, like medium to sheer coverage foundation, and you guys chose medium to sheer coverage foundation. I love full coverage foundations because ऐसे ही बस I love full coverage foundations, but I love sheer coverage भी, means कभी कभी ये कभी वो. So yeah. So the foundation that I'm going to use is this foundation by Nykaa. It's the Nykaa Skin Genius foundation, and I'm in this shade 03 Warm Sand in this one. So I'm just gonna take it on the back of my hand, a little bit of it. Okay, this much is enough, more than enough. And just gonna take my damn beauty blender and apply it. This shade is a perfect match for me, like exact match. Look, it's a exact match for me. I have applied my foundation. You can clearly see it. It's a very like light foundation, very hydrating, and all my spots are visible through it, but still it has given me a very nice sheer coverage and a little glow as well. So I really like that. And the next poll was concealer. So again मैंने पूछा कि मैं like heavy full coverage concealer use करूँ या फिर like light concealer use करूँ, और you guys chose light concealer. I think you guys love natural makeups. That's a good thing. Okay, so the concealer that I'm going to use is this concealer by Maybelline. It's the Fit Me concealer, and I'm in the shade 25 medium in this one. So it's a very light concealer. It's really good. It's very thin. It doesn't crease and cake under the eyes. So yeah, it's a light concealer. So I'm just gonna apply it on my inner corners and outer corners. That's it. सो सेटिंग पाउडर का एंड आईब्रोज का पोल मैंने नहीं डाला था, क्योंकि उसमें कुछ डिफरेंट नहीं कर सकते यूजुअली भी. सो आई एम क्विकली गोना डू लाइक सेट माई फेस एंड डू माई ब्राउज ऑफ कैमरा एंड विल बी बैक इन अ मिनट. Okay guys, so face set कर लिया मैंने with the setting powder and eyebrows are also done. For setting my space. For setting my face, I use the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. So this is the one. And for my eyebrows, I used the Etude House eyebrow pencil. Okay, so let's move on to the next step. And the next poll was if I should contour my face heavily or I should just use a bronzer and give some warmth to my face. And most of you guys chose bronzer, so I'm gonna just bronze my face with this Bahama Mama bronzing powder. So yeah, this is how it looks. So I'm just gonna like lightly bronze my face with this. It's an old brush, I don't know where I got it from. So yeah. Bronzing is done. It has given such nice like warmth to my face because foundation and setting se pura like same shade ho gaya tha, so it was looking quite dull, but now it has given me warmth to my face. So the next poll was blush, and I asked you guys if I should use pink blush or peach blush, and most of you guys chose peach blush, so that's why I'm going to use this blush by Miss Claire today. So it's a very nice peachy blush, and yeah, I really love this blush. It does have little gold particles, like gold shimmer particles in it, but they doesn't show up on your face, so yeah, that's why it's a really good blush. So I'm just gonna use this blush on my face today. Okay, so blush is done. Now let's move on to eyes. So I asked you guys if I should do a colorful eye look or a neutral eye look, and again most of you guys chose neutral eye look. So I'm gonna do a neutral eye look. So that's for that I'm going to use this eyeshadow palette. It's by Makeup Revolution. It's in the shade Hypnotic. So it has all these neutral shades. It's a really good palette. I love all palettes from this particular range. So I'm just gonna use this brown shade in my crease, all over my crease. So I'm just gonna keep the eye look very simple because you all said neutral eye, so let's just keep it neutral and simple. So I'm just gonna place that light brown shade in my crease and all over my eyelid as well. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this brown shade, very little, like a little bit of that dark brown shade, and just gonna place it on the outer corner of my eye just to give little depth. Yeah, like that, just a little bit. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take this shimmer shade on my finger. So it's a very nice shimmer shade. It's very light, so it will give that wet lid kind of effect to my lids. So I'm just gonna pat it on the middle part of my lid. The brown shade, the dark brown shade a little bit, and just warming all the edges. Taken a small brush, like a pointy brush, and I'm just going to take this dark brown shade and place it near my lower lash line. So the next poll was no eyeliner or winged eyeliner, and most of you chose winged eyeliner. I'm not good at winged eyeliner at all. Like I suck at liners, but as you guys chose winged liner, we are gonna do a little wing. So for that I'm just using the Maybelline New York Colossal Bold Liner. So yeah, it's very easy to use, so that's why I'm using this particular liner. I'm just looking in my mirror, so don't mind that. Okay, wing मैंने draw कर ली already, so let's extend. Okay, so this is the wing. I'm just gonna do that much because इससे ज़्यादा करूँगी तो सब खराब कर दूँगी. So the similar thing I'm going to do on this eye, like my right eye. But अभी होना चाहिए same wing आना चाहिए. Let's try our best. Okay, so this is how my winged liner is looking right now. It is very similar. So I'm quite impressed with my liner today. क्योंकि मेरे से कभी लाइनर सीधे होता नहीं है. लाइक एक वन ट्राई में तो लाइनर कभी आता नहीं है. बट ओके, आज हो गया अच्छे से. So let's move on to the next poll, and the next poll was, should I use false lashes or stick to just mascara? And again you guys chose just mascara. So I love applying lashes, but chalo theek hai, we'll do just work with mascara today. And the mascara that I'm going to use today is the L'Oreal Lash Paradise mascara. I love this mascara. ये बहुत बार यूज़ करती हूँ मैं, लाइक काफ़ी यूज़ करती हूँ ये मस्कारा में. सो आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग ऑफ द एक्सेस. एक ही प्रॉब्लम है, इसके वॉन्ड में बहुत ज़्यादा लाइक आ जाता है. एंड देन so mascara is on, and we are almost done with our like total makeup. Just 2 polls are remaining, 2 steps are remaining. The next poll was lipstick. So I asked you guys if I should apply a nude lip or a bold lip, and again most of you chose nude lip, which I'm very happy about because I love nude lips यार. nude lipstick ज़्यादा पसंद है मुझे bold lips से ज़्यादा. So yeah, for that today I'm going to use this Nika K lipstick, True Matte lipstick, and this one is in the shade Turkish Rose. So I really love this lipstick. It's a very nice mauvey pink shade. So I'm just gonna apply this. Okay, so the lipstick is on. Like this shade is so beautiful. It stays on for a very long period of time. Looks very beautiful. So this is how my look is looking right now. I am loving today's makeup. It's all neutral, subtle, and very like glowy makeup. So I'm loving today's makeup. Nothing is like full coverage and heavy. It's all simple, subtle and sheer coverage, and I'm loving the way this look has turned out. Highlighter का पोल मैंने नहीं डाला था because again उसमें कुछ अलग नहीं कर सकते थे, तो that's why I'm gonna skip highlighter today. Okay, so let's move on to the last poll, and the last poll was, should I use a dewy setting spray or matte setting spray? और मेरे को लगा था कि हर चीज़ तुम लोगों ने like neutral and natural choose किया है, so dewy setting spray choose करोगे, but नहीं, opposite हुआ this time. So you guys chose matte setting spray. So for that I'm going to use the Sugar Grand Finale Setting Mist in the matte variant. So this is what I'm going to use. So I'm just going to split it all over my face and we'll be back. Okay, so setting spray is on, and this is how my look has turned out. The look has turned out pretty well. It's all credit goes to you guys because तुम सबको neutral makeup चाहिए था, and this is how it has turned out. And I have done a winged liner today. मैं कभी नहीं करती हूँ, बहुत rarely करती हूँ. अगर आप मेरे Instagram पे मेकअप वीडियोस देखते हो उसमें भी आपने देखा होगा कि मैं बहुत rarely winged liner करती हूँ. अगर look वैसा और winged liner की ज़रूरत हो तो ही मैं करती हूँ. यूजुअली मुझे लाइक डर लगता है करने में, बट अगेन आई डिड इट टुडे एंड आई डिड अ प्रीटी गुड जॉब विथ इट. सो आई एम प्राउड ऑफ माई सेल्फ फॉर द लाइनर, बट द लुक हैज़ टर्नड आउट वेरी वेल एंड इट्स लुकिंग वेरी ब्यूटीफुल, नाइस एंड subtle. So it's a very wearable kind of a look. So yeah, hope you liked it, and if you liked it then make sure you give this video a big fat thumbs up. Also don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so every time I post a video you will get notified, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Till then, bye bye.